What's up guys? In this video, you are going to learn how to go live on YouTube. Going live on YouTube is actually pretty simple if you're gonna do it from a smartphone. So first I'm gonna show you how to go live from your smartphone, and then I'll show you how to go live using a computer. To go live from your smartphone, you're going to need the YouTube app. Once you've downloaded the YouTube app and signed into your own YouTube channel, all you're gonna do is go to the very top of the screen and tap that little camera looking icon, and then you're gonna click Go Live. Now, all you have to do is choose a title, live from phone, done. You can change the settings from public, you can choose a location, press next. Take a thumbnail, choose if you want to use that or not, you can edit it, and then click Go Live and you're live streaming from your phone. It's that simple from your smartphone. Now I want to show you how to go live using a computer. You could do a laptop, a desktop, whatever, but you're going to want to use a program called OBS for this example. This is a free program, there is no paid, it's open source. I'll put a link in the description below this video so you can download OBS for free. But let me show you how to connect it and hook it up to YouTube. Okay, after you've signed into your YouTube account, your YouTube channel on youtube.com, you can go into your Creator Studio. So you'll just enter your Creator Studio, and then you'll see an option over here on the left for live streaming. Sorry, I've got a lot of options because I use vidIQ and TubeBuddy, which I definitely recommend to anyone who's serious about making money from YouTube. But you're going to click on this live streaming button over on the left hand side. Now, this is where you get your live stream set up before you go live. So I'm going to change the title. So I'm going to scroll down right here and I can choose a title, excuse me. First live stream. And then you can change the description right here. So I can say, this is my first live stream. You can choose a category, all that kind of stuff. That doesn't really matter. I could also change the thumbnail. So if I wanted to, I could click change thumbnail, choose a photo from my computer or whatever, and update that. And let's see, what else we got here? Privacy, set to public, and you can set that to whatever you want. And okay, looks good up to this point. Now you're going to open OBS. So OBS is the encoding software or streaming software that you're going to use. So right now it's just streaming from my MacBook, so I could, make the MacBook webcam look a little bit better. You're going to want to make sure you have a video capture device and an audio input capture device. And you can just add the devices right here if there isn't one of those, and you'll be able to choose. So like, I'm just using the input capture just from my MacBook in this example, my MacBook built-in microphone. So once you can see that the audio levels are working, the video's working, you're ready to hook it up to YouTube. So to hook it up to YouTube, you're going to come into the OBS preferences. I could also come down here in the bottom right or the top of the screen. So I'm just going to click settings, and over here I'm going to go to stream. Now, you're going to use custom streaming server. Even though you'll see YouTube on there, just use custom streaming server. And you're going to copy back from your YouTube. If you scroll down on YouTube, you're going to see right here, server URL stream name key. We want to copy that server URL into the URL, and then you're going to copy the stream key into the stream key. And you can click show to make sure that you've copied it correctly. After that's working properly, you want to press OK. Now, notice back over here on YouTube, sorry, I'm kind of jumping around, it's offline. So you'll see up here, you are not live. Now, back on OBS, as soon as I click this button, start streaming, it's going to do a little short, delay, and then it's going to start streaming. But as soon as I click start streaming, I would count to 2, and then start talking, and then your stream is going to be live. And so I'll show you what I mean. So, ready, everything's ready. I'm going to click start streaming. Hey, what's up guys? We are live streaming, and if I want to check if my live stream is working, I can go back over here to YouTube and look, Now it's saying that my stream is live. So I can see myself, I'm talking in the webcam, I'm doing my live stream. And now you're probably going to want to stay here on the YouTube screen while you're doing your live stream, because you're going to be able to see the chat box. So over here on the right is the chat box. So anyone that's watching your live stream will leave comments over here. They'll leave comments in that chat box, and you can respond to comments. You can also see analytics. You can see how many people are watching. If you have super chat, you have to have more, I guess, subscribers to do super chat. But that's basically how it works. Wow, look, we got someone here on the live stream. Hey, what's up, man? We're actually just doing a live stream to teach people how to do a live stream. So if you check out our channel, if you're subscribed, you're gonna see on our channel this video. So you guys will probably get a nice little shout out here. So I appreciate you guys hopping on and checking out our live stream. But that's how easy it is to live stream with YouTube and OBS. And remember, it's super easy to live stream from your phone. Sorry, I keep looking at my other camera. It's super easy to live stream from your phone. So if you have a smartphone, you can do it really easy. And if you have a computer, you can do it using OBS like we are right here. All right, guys, Prince YT, Random 360. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for stopping by. I'm going to cut this live stream now and finish the video. So now that I'm done live streaming, I just go back into OBS and click Stop Stream. Now if I go back here, you'll see that the stream is going to stop. Just might take a second. Okay, see, there you go. Our stream is stopped and we're done. So now, if you have the post option enabled, it's just gonna post this. Oops, excuse me. It's just gonna post this YouTube video to your channel just like another video, so people can watch the replay and whatnot. Alright guys, that's how to live stream on YouTube. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed, leave me a comment, let me know what questions you have, what type of videos you'd like to learn about, if you have any questions about going live on YouTube. Alright guys, thanks for watching, we'll see you in the next video.